and welcome to my course on postmodernism. I am Dr. Masood Raja, and this course is designed for all those who are interested in the contemporary postmodern moment or movement. And this course will introduce you to first the larger understanding of postmodernism itself, and then with a specific focus on postmodernist literature and literary theory. After you finish your course, you should be able to clearly understand what people mean when they use the term postmodernism, and you will have a deeper understanding of the major concepts, texts, and debates of the postmodernist literary movement. That's all for right now. Please feel free to reach out to me if you would like me to add something specific related to postmodernism, and I am delighted to have you here and hope this becomes a wonderful learning experience for you. And here I would like to briefly explain to you what is included in this course. So the course is heavily video content, interspersed with PDF and handouts that are uploaded under different sections. But the first lecture of this course is just a general broad introduction to postmodernism itself as a movement, and within that, how does literary postmodernism figure, where and how. Then there are videos on individual concepts that are often invoked in discussions of the postmodern, like intertextuality, right, metafiction, terms like this. So there is a video for each such major conceptual term, providing its lineage and its clear explanation. And then there are videos about some major theorists of postmodernism, and even including those who have critiqued it, followed by, finally, some discussion of some major modernist, postmodernist, or limit modernist texts. So this is generally the plan of the course. Of course, I'm open to suggestions if you feel like that I could include something more. This is an ever-growing course, so I will continue adding materials to it, so feel free to suggest. And thank you so much. I'm delighted that you're here, and I hope that this course enhances your learning and your understanding of the postmodern world around you. Thank you so much, and goodbye.